Good morning everybody. Today I'm making unboxing video of my product purchased from Shop the World. Name of the product is earphone, a smart remote and microphone. Its color is black. Its manufacturer and model are Sennheiser CX80S. You can see its packaging is of top class. It is logistics by Amazon and amazing hassle-free delivery before time precisely at the mentioned address. Frankly speaking, I'll talk about the drawbacks also of STW website. First, no COD is available. Second, website is quite slow. Now let us unbox the product. Before unboxing, please read the following instruction. Please do not accept the tampered packet. Here you can see one earphone, one safety guide and 3 ear adapter sizes. Its condition and quality both seems good. Now let us check its audio quality. Audio quality is also perfect. Now smart remote button and microphone. Hello. Yes, both are working properly. Friends, I've been using STW for more than 6 months and purchased many items from HDMI cable, projector, diaper, wall mount, presentation pointer and this time earphone. From products to service, everything was good. Customer care support on WhatsApp is also fantastic, especially by Prasad ji. Now let us talk about pricing. Price is also cheaper than other top websites. On the basis of my experience of using STW, I'll recommend you all to at least try it once and experience it yourself. Thank you.